Laura.
My name is Tweety.
Oh, I've always wanted to meet a tooth fairy before.
Why were you staying up so late? It's midnight.
Well, because I have a problem at school.
What's your problem?
Everybody picks on me. I'm scared.
Oh, those people just are jealous at you.
Because I'm talking to the real tooth fairy.
You're the first one who talked to the fairy.
Really? Am I going to be on the picture or something? Because I love being on the picture.
No. Sorry. Well, I'm just here to get your tooth. Do you have your tooth?
Oh, it's right underneath my pillow. Yeah. Oh, that's different.
Oh yeah, I have to hold in my mouth. In my bag.
Cool.
No. You better go to bed.
But wait, I want to give you a hug.
No, sweetie. No.
Fine.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm kissing the real tooth
Yeah.
fairy. Okay, I'll be good, alright? I'll be good for Santa Claus.
And you better be good to your bear.
I will.
Good night.
Night.
Sleep tight.
Tweety.
Laura, good night.
Oh yeah, you forgot my last name. Okay, bye-bye.
The end.